guys, welcome back to IFX Academy. Guys, yesterday we were selling this and we hit both of our targets. Kudos to those people who made money and followed us. For today, guys, it's very simple and easy. I suspect and expect an overall change in the trend and major moves are coming. So, guys, for today, as long as we are above 147.659, guys, this is on my agenda. 148.7 looks very plausible to me for today because I expect the bulls are very active today and they are very hungry as well. They want revenge for yesterday's bearish move, and I think they are going to get it. Anyways, if we break below this, we will be seeing 147.29. But that is not on my agenda. My agenda is buying this. But I would look for better entries. So take care, guys. Hope you guys make money buying this and see you guys tomorrow.